Hello, my name is Marco Motta and this is my submission for Lab 2. In Lab 2 we are given two arrays in decimal notations, and we need to sort the arrays in ascending order from the lowest to the highest value using the bubble sort algorithm. So this is my program. These are my two arrays, and this is the program. So I'm going to debug the program. Okay, I add a breakpoint over here. So I'm going to execute the program. So from here, I'm going to start sorting my values. So here I'm going to start moving the number of elements of the array, which is 10. We have 10 elements, and we're going to store that value into register 10. Here is 10 in register 10, and we're going to move that value from register 10 to register 8, which is the outer loop. We're going to move the number of elements from register 8 to register 9, which is the inner loop counter. And we're also going to move the register 6, value register 6 to register 5, or move the beginning of address to R5 so it will remain unchanged. So here I'm going to start checking my outer loop. I'm going to start by decrementing the value of register A by 1. And here is just going to check if the loop has reached the end. And here I'm incrementing the value of register 6. And I'm moving the value of register 6 to register 7. I'm incrementing the value of register 7 by 1. And I'm moving the contents of register 8 to register 9. And here is my inner loop. And this is starting by decrementing the value register 9 by 1. And here it's going to move the values of register 6 to register 11. And here's doing this, it's going to do the same thing, move the value register 7 to register 12. So I have these two values, and this what it's going to do is going to compare register 11 and register 12 to see if one is bigger than the other. And if that's the case, it will swap. It will take me to the swap label. If everything is okay, it won't do it. So register 11 is less than register 12. 22 is less than EE, so nothing will happen. It will not swap, they stay in the same spot. So here I'm incrementing the register 6, the address of register increasing the address of register in register 6, doing the same thing for register 11, register 7, and here I'm jumping back into the inner loop to keep checking the other numbers. Here's decrementing the inner loop chip and register 9, and now I'm putting the register 6, value register 6 on 11, register 11, doing the same thing, value register 7 in register 12, and here is going to check these two numbers if one is bigger than the other. If so it's going to check. So if that's the case, they will swap. Yes, that's the case. They went to the swap label, and what is happening here is it's gonna put the lower value in the first spot, which is here. It went 57 was here. It went to here, and here is after I execute this line, it will put the higher value in the second spot. So that's what exactly what happened. So I'm going to increment the values of the address of register 6. Same thing for register 7. So I can keep checking more numbers. So, and here is going to jump back to the inner loop to keep checking more numbers. And here is going to continue doing that. So I'm going to resume the program, and these are the values starting from address location 0 to 10. So these are my 10 values up to here, and so this is my first array. They are sorting in ascending order from the lowest to the highest value. But I have another array number 2, and array number 2 is already I already hit the execute, so it already execute array 2. So array 2, this is the first value, C, then 10, 17, 20, 26, 2E, 36, 5A, C9, and D9. So it was also the array 2. It was also sort in an ascending order from the lowest to the highest value. Lowest was C, and the highest value is D9. Okay, thank you very much.